Alex, welcome back to the Chris channel, and we made
the
straw plates.
Now we're gonna show you how they feel. Watch how they feel.
No. We also need the thing that you need is Benty straws, clear tape,
Construction
paper. Yeah,
that's it.
and we're getting ready to fly them.
And guess what? He's landed by the fin.
Oh yeah,
right there.
Mother had 2 times it done this. I threw it and it done this.
I think yours is actually a landing plane. Watch mine.
No, not over here. Ready?
See? Aha.
Watch this, guys.
Aha.
Good.
Watch this, guys.
Good.
Oh, it just landed over here. You know, it was like this. I threw it and it done this. And it just fell.
It's gonna go to space.
Oh shit! There's a rocket ship. Wait, you got what if we done this and then what if we make it land? No, there's no.
No, stop. Check, get this one. He's always smacking people.
Wait, what happened? 2. How about if we do whole 2 straws instead of 1
No,
straw?
how about stick one in there?
Ooh, that was second time.
I tried to throw my You gotta watch this.
Ooh, that was second time, man.
See, you wanna go. Wait, which one did you do? This one?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, Let's go try Ben.
Well, you heard that? Watch. What's that sound? Watch.
I heard it makes a sound.
Wind sound. My flying.
Good.
Good. Ah!
He's like, you okay?
Oh, yeah, man.
Good. Good.
See, he just said, guys.
Oh, you almost hit my face.
Wait a second.
My
Space.
What happens if I do throw like this?
Watch this, you guys. How should I do it? Mine turns around. Watch this. Mine turns around.
I wonder what happens if you throw it up.
Oh yeah. Can I stop?
good.
Watch this. Ooh. Watch this. Watch this.
Good.
Watch this.
You guys, good thing he didn't broke it.
Me.
No, him. Hey.
Aha! Let's go on blue.
You guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace. Bye, peace. Fly.
Bye.
Wait, we got birds.
Peace.
These are
Peace.
birds.